Hola, hi, Martes Mahuji, bonjour. Especially मेरा हार्ट एंड सोल प्राणमा सहास्य मेरा हनरबुल दिल लैंड I would love to events regarding mo honroso land suyolo PDR company is taking away our land soil to make a new double road around my village. So because of it our land is becoming levelment for agricultural irrigation level look. So we are feeling awesome bro, so because it's becoming level land from all level to level. It's niceness the confluence of Mergus family land Ciolo and PDR company road contractors confluencia Martes Mahuji Bonjua. It's niceness the confluence of night jasmines and me esto sintiendo asombroso en mismasness of ubiquity colors. Okay.